Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're exploring beautiful large kitchens that feel warm, open, and full of personality. We'll discover elegant layouts, practical zones, and inspiring design touches that make big spaces both stylish and inviting. Liking what you see so far? Leave a comment below and tell us, is your kitchen small, medium, or large? We'll feature new design ideas based on your answers in the next video. In our next episode, we'll move to bigger kitchens, exploring creative ideas for medium and large spaces with islands and open layouts. Don't miss it. Subscribe and stay tuned.